Multiplication and division are inverses. Multiplying by a number and then dividing by that same number, so picking an operation and doing its inverse, leaves you where you started. This is called the inverse property of multiplication. So it's very specific. If the operation is multiplication and then you do division, it will leave you with the number you started with. For example, if we have 5 starting at 5, and you multiply by 6 and then divide by 6, you end up with 5. Here it is shown 5 times 6 divided by 6. It's almost like these undo each other and you're just left with the number you started with, 5. You can try it with lots of numbers. That was just 5 and 6. Let's say we randomly start with 2. And if I multiply by 3 and divide by 3, that would leave me with 2. You can even do the multiplication and see the division. So for 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. It holds true. 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 3 is 2, so it holds true. Let's do one more. Let's do 10, let's say times 7, but then divided by 7 should equal 10. Well, 7 times 10 is 70, divided by 7 is 10. So this inverse property of multiplication doesn't just work for specific numbers. It actually is true for any two numbers. So if we start with a variable, any random number a, and then we multiply by b, but at the same time then divide by b, we're going to end up with that number we began with, a.